ZIO contributor and CTO at Scalac, and I want to tell you something about new library that's coming to ZIO ecosystem. It's called Zeopulsar. So Apache Pulsar is a distributed messaging and streaming platform. That means it can cover both messaging and streaming scenarios, which would be normally handled separately by RabbitMQ and Kafka. Apache Pulsar has many features that that we want from our streaming platform. It has multi-tenancy, it has geo-replication, it has stateless brokers. That feature allows us to separately scale our brokers and our storage. It has multi-tiered storage. It has built-in schema registry. It has Pulsar functions, and all of this out of the box without any add-ons. The current solutions for Scala developers for working with Pulsar is the official Java Pulsar client, Pulsar 4S library, and Neutron library from Chatroulette. But the current solutions, well, they have, all of them have one or all of these downsides. They don't integrate. They either don't integrate with ZIO. They require manual resource management. They don't integrate out of the box with streams, and they allow for runtime configuration failures and ambiguous configurations. So, in the official Pulsar client, when we create client, consumer, and producer, use it, we need to remember to close out of these resources, and we need to know when to close them. On the other hand, in Zeopulsar, producer and consumer are represented as managed resources using zmanaged from ZIO, and the Pulsar client is represented as managed Z layer that you can see in the environment. And that, of course, makes using this library a lot easier. Zeopulsar integrates out of the box with Z streams. You can turn your producer into a sink and then run your stream with the sink. And similarly, you can consume messages using streams on the consumer instead of pulling one by one, like in some loop, like you would normally do with the Java approach. Official Pulsar client allows for faulty configurations. Like, for example, here, the options in line 5 and 6, they are not compatible with each other. The compiler doesn't complain, but running this application will result in runtime failure. It's not the case in Zeopulsar, where having these same configuration options will just cause a compilation error. And similarly, official Pulsar client allows for ambiguous configurations, like the configuration options in line 6 and 7, they make sense only with pattern subscriptions. And here we are using single topic subscription. The application will work, but in fact, we don't know what was the intent of this code. If this is some mistake or leftover from a refactoring or something else. This again won't happen in Zeopulsar, where with this same set of, we just get a compiler error. So the takeaway is Zeopulsar will provide us with close ZIO integration, will integrate with streams out of the box. will remove a lot of runtime exceptions and configuration ambiguities, and will provide some extra support for common usage patterns. And today, after watching one of Adam's presentation, I do want that I need, I know that I need ZHub for some of these features. So the repository is not opened yet, but it will be open soon. I will definitely tweet about it so you can observe. And thank you for listening.